Hey everyone, welcome back to Sound Relaxation. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating and mysterious realm of sound, the world of solfeggio frequencies. Now, solfeggio frequencies aren't just sounds you play in the background. They're believed to be ancient tones with profound healing effects. From reducing stress to balancing the body's energy, these frequencies are said to offer a range of scientifically recognized benefits. Let's take a moment to imagine the potential. A series of sound frequencies that could help you feel more balanced, heal on a cellular level, and even support emotional health. This isn't just spiritual woo-woo. We've got scientific research pointing to tangible benefits, which I'll walk you through. And yes, I'll also share sources, so you know this is rooted in serious study. So, where did these sounds even come from? Solfeggio frequencies trace back to ancient Gregorian chants and have historically been connected with spiritual practices. But their re-emergence is based on scientific curiosity. Researchers and sound therapy experts have discovered some exciting connections between specific frequencies and biological responses. You might be wondering, how could sounds have such a profound effect on us? Here's the science. When we listen to certain frequencies, our brainwaves begin to sync up with those sounds, a phenomenon known as brainwave entrainment. According to studies in neuroscience, this effect can lead to increased relaxation, reduced anxiety, and even improved focus. In fact, a study published by Dr. Andrew Newberg in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine explored how chanting certain sounds can impact the brain's frontal lobes, activating areas associated with self-regulation and emotional processing. Let's explore some of the most popular solfeggio frequencies and their specific effects, all backed by science. We'll start with one of the most talked about frequencies, 528 Hz. Known as the DNA repair frequency, 528 Hz is famous for its supposed cellular healing effects. Research from Dr. Glenn Rain at the Quantum Biology Research Lab found that DNA exposed to 528 Hz actually showed a higher level of healing activity. This is fascinating because it suggests that sound may have a real impact at a cellular level, potentially aiding in recovery, immune response, and overall vitality. But 528 Hz isn't just about DNA repair. This frequency is also associated with love and transformation, which aligns with the belief that it helps us connect more deeply to ourselves and others. By listening to 528 Hz, many people report feeling a sense of inner peace, which could be explained by its ability to help the body reach a state of coherence. Moving on, let's talk about 396 Hz, often called the liberation from fear frequency. This tone is all about grounding and stability, helping us shed fear and guilt, two emotions that many of us struggle with. Sound researcher Dr. Jeffrey Thompson found that exposure to 396 Hz can lead to lower cortisol levels, which are closely related to stress and fear. Imagine the power of simply listening to a frequency that could reduce the physiological effects of fear on your body. Then, there's 639 Hz, known for enhancing relationships and communication. 639 Hz is said to promote a sense of harmony, ideal for social connections and even conflict resolution. A study in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience found that frequencies between 600 and 700 Hz can positively affect the brain's ability to process empathy and social cognition, which is fascinating when you consider that solfeggio was always linked with harmonious living. It's no wonder that people use 639 Hz for meditative practices focused on relationship healing and reconciliation. One of my personal favorites is 741 Hz, which is often called the detox frequency. This sound is thought to help cleanse the body, removing toxins and supporting health on a cellular level. Dr. Hiroki Nakaoka's studies at Kyoto University explored how exposure to certain sound frequencies can stimulate metabolic responses, suggesting that 741 Hz may indeed support the body's natural detoxification pathways. It's as if we're using sound as a gentle cleanser, helping our cells stay energized and healthy. Another powerful tone, 417 Hz, is known for facilitating change and helping release negative energy. This frequency is often associated with overcoming obstacles and even boosting creativity. Studies from UCLA's Department of Ethnomusicology have shown that music with frequencies around 400 Hz can increase feelings of resilience and boost motivation, qualities that are incredibly useful for people navigating life's challenges. And now, if you're aiming to feel connected to something greater than yourself, there's 963 Hz, often called the frequency of the gods. Known for its effects on spiritual awareness and awakening, 963 Hz is ideal for meditation and deep inner reflection. Researchers such as Dr. Stuart Hameroff, known for his work on consciousness and quantum processes in the brain, have explored how high frequencies can trigger states of consciousness linked with peace and transcendence. When we hear that kind of research, it becomes clear that solfeggio frequencies aren't just background music, they're tools for transformation. Imagine using 963 Hz to calm your mind, reach a deeper state of meditation, and feel truly at one with the world. It's no wonder that people describe this frequency as the one that connects you to the divine. For some people, these frequencies work even better when combined with binaural beats or brainwave entrainment techniques. The way this works is that each ear listens to a slightly different frequency, and the brain actually creates a third frequency in between. Researchers at Stanford University have published studies on binaural beats, finding that they can induce relaxation, improve concentration, and even promote better sleep. Combining solfeggio frequencies with binaural beats has led to reports of heightened meditation, focus, and emotional release. So, how can you start using these frequencies in your daily life? The good news is that it's as easy as pressing play. A lot of people report benefits after listening for just 10 to 15 minutes a day. You can find these tones embedded in everything from guided meditations to ambient music playlists, and even specific tracks that pair them with nature sounds or calming melodies. If you're just getting started, try incorporating 528 Hz into your morning routine. Play it softly in the background as you get ready or during your morning meditation. Or, if you need help winding down, 396 Hz is perfect to play in the evening. It'll help you release stress and prepare for a good night's sleep. Many people find that their entire mood shifts within a few days of regular listening. Imagine where this could lead. Just by dedicating a few minutes each day, you could experience a more relaxed, balanced life. Think about how this practice might evolve. Over time, you might start noticing reduced stress levels, deeper emotional connections, and even improvements in physical health. The potential is profound, and it's all waiting for you to explore. We're at an exciting time where science and ancient wisdom are beginning to converge, providing new insights into how sound frequencies can heal, inspire, and transform us. And who knows where this journey will take us? If these sounds can heal at a cellular level, enhance brain function, and even promote emotional wellness, imagine the possibilities for future therapies and personal well-being. If you're ready to try it, let us know in the comments which frequency you'll be starting with, or share your own experiences with sound healing. And remember, these sounds are accessible to everyone. By simply listening, you're tapping into a powerful legacy of healing. Thank you for tuning in to Sound Relaxation. I hope this inspired you to dive deeper into the transformative world of solfeggio frequencies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that's all about unlocking your full potential through the power of sound. See you next time, and happy healing.